Upgrade to Windows 11, plug in your USB and skip the boot process entirely. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can install Windows 11 25H2 but your PC isn't supported. Don't worry, today I will show you the easiest way to bypass the restriction and install it safely on any computer or laptop. Let's type in Google Microsoft 25H2 download. Click it. Click this one and you will land into the official Microsoft Windows 11 download center. Here you can check it out. 25H2 is being released and we will download this one, the ISO file from here. Let's download this. Click it. Here you will get the 64 bits is showing. Click download now. Select the product language. My product language is English United States. Make sure you select your product language. Confirm. Select 64-bit download. Click it here and your file will get downloaded immediately. And it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. The file will get stored in your download folder. If you have saved in your download folder, it will get stored in your download folder. Wait for a few minutes. The download will get completed as soon as possible. Here you go. The download has been completed successfully and the file is stored in the download folder itself. Right? This is the ISO file. We will going to use it. I'll show you here my system is having 24H2 Windows 11. We will upgrade this system to 25H2 because my system is unsupported, and we will make it easiest method to update 25H2 Windows 11. So let's download Rufus first from the Rufus website, official website. So you need to download the Rufus. This we will create a bootable USB. Scroll down. There is a download for files here. It's 4.11.exe. We will download the latest version from the Rufus official website. And it will be very small size. Open it and double click it. Run as an administrator. You can see the dashboard here. You need to select the device. I'll be using the USB drive, and make sure your drive is formatted properly and have enough space, because the file size for Windows 11 25H2 it's 7 GB. I'll select my drive. I'll select the ISO file which we have downloaded already from the Windows Microsoft official website. This is the ISO file 25H2. We will browse it, open it, and here you will see there is a partition schema. We will keep it GPT, and target system will be UEFI. And once you click start, it will give you an option to bypass the unsupported devices, hardwares, what is required for Windows 11. If your system is not supported, here you can skip the process. Click start. Here you can see remove requirement for any online Microsoft account. Create a local account. Here you must check the boxes, else it's not going to work. So these are the things we will check it and click OK. This is the only method. It will bypass the unsupported hardware requirement for Windows 11 25H2. Click OK. Click OK. This is the warning message. All data on the device will get deleted. Click OK. And it will start the process for preparing the bootable USB drive. So it will take some few minutes. Because the file size is 7 GB, you should be patient and it will be done immediately. So the file is being ready. Click close. Open the USB drive, double click it There is a setup file inside this folder. Run as an administrator. The Windows will get started. It's preparing. You can see the screen is preparing. So it will give the option what are the files you want to keep. Either you can download the updates or driver. We will not do it right now. We will skip this process. It will take a very long time because it will fetch the updates from the Microsoft server. Click next. Here you will give the options like what are the files you want to keep and what are the application you want to keep intact. So I'll keep it as it is. I don't want to make any changes in the softwares or files. Click installed. It will take some minutes to complete the installation process and your system will restart few times. So don't worry. This is the whole process. It will take some time. Your PC will restart in a few minutes, so don't worry. It has already installed Windows 11 and once it get restart, Windows 11 screen will be back. Here you go. You have successfully installed Windows 11 25H2 on your unsupported PC. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks, and drop a comment below if you face any issue. I'll be happy to help. I'll show you exactly here the Windows has been updated. You can see here from the settings in the system files. Here you can see 25H2 has been upgraded. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in next video. Thank you.